This is part 3. As you can see, the cows have come to investigate the activities. She probably should not go back there. We're about to push the rest of this scrap back there. I should have got it earlier. One of the little calves, he got up on the trailer, he walked up on the ramp. He didn't know what the heck was going on. As you can see, he's just pushing the little junk away. The bulldozer really doesn't look that big when it's off the trailer, and that's because it really isn't very big. It's only 70 horsepower, but it does the job for the most part. See, of course, they didn't want any of this grass before, but now that we're here trying to do something, oh, it's great. View the truck again. As you can see, coming out of the back right there, that's the hydraulic hoses for the pine planter. We've got a cup sitting over the top of them.